Guys, so I'll be unboxing the new iPhone XS Max in gold. Can't wait to do this. I'm waiting for this phone. So let's get this one first. The usual Apple comes with all this same old, nothing special, nothing new. Expensive phone is pretty much old casing. I guess Apple is just that cheap. Take our money and give us what they want. So, damn, check out this phone. Look at this color. This color is just amazing. I think the gold version is the best. The looks and everything, it's just so perfect. And I would say this phone looks big. It looks pretty big. Just the way I like it. It's better than the iPhone 10, the regular iPhone 10. This is just amazing. So what else is in the box? So there's the headphones, the usual headphones, boring, crappy headphones. And there's the glowing yellow charger. Expensive device. They can't even put like a fast charger. See how dumb Apple is? This is how they treat customers. We pay almost how much in Canada? Almost $2,000 for a stupid phone. Can't complain though. The phone is nice, but we should at least get more back. Pretty much the same mode. Something else in the box. So, guys, here's the new iPhone XS Max in gold. Damn, I'm in love with this phone already. This color is amazing. I'm definitely gonna get Apple Care and everything on this shit because I don't want to break this or mess this up. I don't know if I should put a case on this because I just this is not even a fingerprint magnet. Look at this shit. It's amazing. If you guys are thinking about getting the phone, you should definitely get the gold version because it's beautiful. Okay, let me power this up so you guys can see. Okay, guys, here we go. Look at that back again. It's just flawless. I feel like this is gonna sell out more than the other iPhone when it comes to colors and everything. This color is amazing, people. See, the regular startup. So, guys, if you want to get more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you, and have a great day, guys. Bye.